looking to beef. I'm from a city where niggas is street deep. We one sharp to your sharp, you gave us some free seats. I'm Nelson Mandela with each speech, cause I dribble with lyrics you can't reach. So rest in peace to Mr. Walker. It's ironic that a Porsche is where he's taking his last seats. The fast lane came and got you. Hopefully it don't put me up in that box too, cause I'm doing what most dudes do not do. Box fools like Megyn Kelly and Fox News. Hey yo, it's hard what I be now. Fake niggas in the crowd thinking that I'm senile. It's probably cause their girlfriend love the way that I freestyle, but hopefully they starting to see the